Kristen! Kristen, I want to ask you something. What makes you hopeful about the future?
You know, we're living in such an accelerated period of growth. It gives me whiplash. It gives me whiplash. You know, it's exhilarating. And it's highly pressurized because our identities are these lifelong, evolving art projects. And to know who you are is to adopt an animal subject to change. It's not a fixed notion. The mythologies that define us, that unite us, they're ours to create. Everything is on the table. It's no longer important to know who you are or even what you want. I think it's important to burn down your very best yesterday, every day, so you can start again.